Hello and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to create a job orchestration plan in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. Job orchestration plan can batch modify or unify the time policies or multiple jobs so that you can manage and customize job time execution strategies more efficiently. Before you create the job orchestration plan, you need to create the job in advance. Then go to Monitor Center, Job Orchestration Plan page, click Create. Vinchin server will redirect to Add Job Orchestration Plan page. Here you can name the job orchestration plan. You can choose to manually start the orchestration plan, set a custom strategy, or reuse the job strategy. On Phase 1, you can click Add Jobs button to select the specific jobs. In the pop-up windows, you can choose the job type as Backup Job, Restore Job, Copy Job, Archive Job, or Verification Job. Set the backup mode for the backup jobs in this phase. You can also use Search Box, Filter, and Time Range to select the jobs. After setting the plan for Phase 1, the steps for adding plan in the subsequent phase are also the same as those for the Phase 1. For the subsequent phase, you need to select the trigger condition. After adding a job, you can drag it between different phase or delete the job or phase. After setting all plan, click OK to finish the orchestration plan. Vinchin server will redirect to Monitor Center Job Orchestration Plan page. You can click Options button to start this plan. Now the job is executing. Also, you can click each job's name and enter the details page. Now the job orchestration plan is completed. Let's check the job data one by one. You can see that all jobs have been completed. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.